Meaning of hashish.
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 Hashish. Hashish is a type of cannabis concentrate that is made by separating trichomes from the plant material and compressing them into a solid block or resinous form. It contains high levels of THC, the psychoactive compound that produces the high associated with marijuana use. The effects of hashish can range from mild relaxation to intense euphoria and altered perception. Use of hashish can lead to short-term side effects such as dry mouth, increased heart rate, and impaired coordination, as well as long-term impact on cognitive function and mental health. Hashish is illegal in many countries due to its psychoactive effects.